Hello, mighty pirates! How are you today? We're doing good here because today we're going to do something very nice. One of the main problem of this machine, which is switched on by the way, this screen, is that the audio capabilities of this fabulous Sinclair ZX Spectrum is almost zero. I mean, programmers made miracles to make video games that were nice enough compared to Commodore 64 or other machines. Really miracles. But today we're going to have our revenge on that, because we have this great interface here. This is a very nice chip, audio chip, the AY-3-8910. We're going to use it on using the jack connected of course to the screen, and this interface has got also the Kempston emulation here. I'll show you. Enable using this switch here. So, and also we are going to use the smartphone that I'm using to record this video to load a game that is supposed to support this fabulous audio interface, and we're going to play using this. So I'm going to load the program without the interface connected, without it. And then I'm going to load it with the interface connected. And so we're going to celebrate the difference between the old audio system generated by the old machine and the new audio device here, which is I'm very excited about this, because when I was a kid there was nothing like this. Absolutely nothing. So I'm going to pause actually the video. I'm going to load the game, which is loading pause by the way, and then we're going to see what happens. Okay, now the setup is complete. Of course I connected an old Kempston interface, and I'm going to use this fabulous joystick, the Albatross joystick. This was one of the best joystick ever. This joystick has got something like 40 years old, and it still works perfectly. There's some switch inside. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to load the program. So here we go. I was supposed to load Bloody Paws, but it seems that there is some problem loading that game. I mean, while loading, the computer resets. So I loaded Crazy Cars 2, which is supposed to be another game that uses that interface. Okay, so let's hear what happens when I hit something. Okay, can you hear that sound? Yeah. That was the sound. That's supposed to be an explosion. Let's see. All right. Oh, I'm doing pretty good at the moment. Okay, another explosion. Perfect. So, as you can hear, the sound is terrible. This is a classic example of a very good game. I mean, that's nice. It's a nice game. I think the graphic is not bad, but the sound is terrible. Come on, baby, you can do better than this. So I'm going to reset the computer, load that game again, and hope that this thing is going to be used. Let's see what happens. Okay, maybe some music too, maybe, who knows. So the interface is connected. The joystick is plugged in, of course. This one here. The jack, audio jack is there. The machine seems to work. So let's load the game. Okay, so as you can clearly hear, the police is there. The engine. You're under arrest. Game over. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Listen to the sound of the engine. Nice. Oh my goodness. The police is coming. Whoa. Okay. Try to catch me if you can. Right. Look at this. All right. This is. Oh my goodness. Ah. Wow. Perfect. So the interface is working. Yeah, right. The police is not going to catch me. And well, I'm not a good player, but I am really enjoying the sound. Whoa. I'm going to bump into the police car. Alright, that's the end. Glorious end. So, this is one game that was where the audio was almost not existent. And this is pretty much something that Commodore 64 might have. Of course, it's not. Whoa. Fabulous. I'm going to load another game. I really need to enjoy another game. Okay. Let's find another one. Fabulous. The face good. And of course the joystick is perfectly working. How nice. Thank you, police car. Oh, here we go. We loaded a game called Delta Charge, and this game supports the Kempston joystick, of course, and surprise, it supports also this great interface. So by pressing 2, I select Kempston. There we go, Kempston, you see? I press now space. Did you hear that? Coming from the TV, because of course it's connected using the stereo jack there. All right. So here we go. All right, let's pass. Oh no. All right. No, come on. It was not that close. Okay, the bad guys are coming down here. Can you hear that sound? Nice. That sounds like a video game, of course, and a 98 kind of video game, but it's pretty nice. Now I'm really curious to load this game again and see what happens using the standard audio generated by the CPU inside. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. So we're going to select Kempston again. Kempston. Then of course the audio now is connected to the microphone jack here and goes to the TV. And of course I changed the interface. I'm using the Kempston standard. So let's pump up the volume a little. All right. Okay. And start the game. I didn't hear anything. Well, No sound at all? Is it possible? Strange. Wow. Nothing. Nothing comes out even from the microphone, the microphone, the loudspeaker inside the Spectrum. So just nothing. Wow. Okay. I didn't expect this. I mean, come on. A little bit of audio doesn't hurt anything, doesn't hurt anyone. Oh, wow, okay. Well, that's a real shame. So this game is great only if you have this interface here doing some explosion and fire. Otherwise, it's not coming out anything. Well... Oh. Come on, just a little bit. Oh, nothing, just nothing. That's really bad. Okay, dear friends, so today we discovered that not only some games are supposed to work better using this one, but there are some video games like this one, the Charge, that don't make any sound. This game doesn't, you don't hear anything. Let me hear. Just the click of my joystick. That's not enough. Not even from. And it's not a problem of the connection of the cable, because the Sinclair Spectrum uses the loudspeaker inside mainly, and if you connect the cable just copy the sound coming from this loudspeaker to the speaker that you connected, in this case the TV. So, well, see you soon. I'm going to find some other games that use this, and maybe I'm going to make some videos related only to one specific game. Bye bye!